You guys, this is my outfit of the day. But I wanted to show you guys this super cute Christmas shirt that I found. Miren esto. It has like little Christmas. So I thought it was super cute. It's a button-up blue shirt. I did tie it around here. I still need to fix it a little bit. Pero este es mi outfit of the day. Very comfy. Me recuerda mucho como a los 90s. Yeah. So, aquí están mis plantitas. It did rain last night, so están como llenas de agua. But I wanted to show you guys all the leaves that have been falling from these big trees that I have. They're more than 100 years old, or about 100 years old. Nuestros arbolotes de ahí. So look at all the leaves. They look so beautiful. Look at what I ordered. I got some pasta with bits and pieces of salmon. I got some rice, some black beans. This is chicken in salsa verde. And this is a chicken tamal. Así que lo voy a probar a ver cómo está. We're doing some shopping today, and our first store is the Nike store. I mean, not that I need running shoes. Me acabo de comprar estos. Like, I don't know, like 3 weeks ago. But look at these. These are cute. Oh, these are even cuter. Estos me gustan. Look at these. I don't know why, but I'm kind of feeling this green color. It looks cute with this one. No, como este outfit, like this. That is cute. I think it's super cute. I think this is cute. ¿Verdad que sí? They even have this one. Or, actually, this one. Este está perfecto. Con sus sweatpants. Which size is this? Is medium. This is cute. What about this one, you guys? You guys, so look at these. What do we think? Cute. Open that one. Or these. What do you guys think? Cute. I kind of like those more than these. But then you can never go wrong with this pink. It's raining, you guys. And of course, no traje suéter. Y mi husband me dijo que trajera uno, pero no quise. So ahora me toca caminar debajo de la lluvia. Él sí viene con gorrito. Let's go back. It's raining. I love the rain. La lluvia es bendición. It means abundance and blessings. Okay, en esta mesita estamos poniendo todos los chocolates that we've been getting for Christmas. And my husband just opened the box y agarró, ¿qué es este, mi amor? I think this one va a ser este de hazelnut, or va a ser salted caramelo de salted caramelo. Salted caramel. Yeah, caramel. I kind of want to get, they have salted caramel, hazelnut, intense raspberry, and dark chocolate. Yo quiero el hazelnut. Pero at the same time, I still have these que no he abierto. I mean, que no he hecho todos los días mi advent calendar. We also have these truffles. Y también tenemos otro advent calendar que me regalaron de chocolate. But I have it, I don't know where I have it. This is a cute little Christmas card that we got in the mail today. And then I got this one yesterday in the mail. Okay, vamos a prender un ratito esta vela. There we go. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Ya llegamos a casita. Like you guys saw, I turned on my candle. Ya me comí un chocolate. Y en un ratito, ya esta noche, vamos a ir, creo que a Target para ir a comprar unas cosas que nos hacen falta. Pero we wanted to come home, take a quick little break. Y ya, más adelante, más a ratito voy a volver a salir. Pero quería despedirme de ustedes, just in case I don't have time to record the ending. Thank you so much for watching. Te invito a que te suscribas al canal si aún no lo has hecho. Muchas gracias por estar aquí y espero que estén disfrutando los videos de VLOGMAS.